Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing the Lego Ferrari, the SF-24, the F1 race car. This is the race car that raced in the 2024 season. So straight away we're into the box and you'll notice the massive amount of stickers there. Everybody knows my feelings on stickers. I much prefer the printed bricks, and I did find the stickers in this set particularly fiddly, just because of the size of some of them. They were quite small. Having said that, this was the first set of the F1 series that I've really done. You've probably seen a short I did on the small mini ones. We've got a couple of those, but I bought this set. Saw it, we were on holiday, and I spotted this one going relatively cheap. So I thought I'll snap that one up and we'll try it. And overall, it has been a really enjoyable set to do. And I was really surprised at some of the builds in it, and the techniques used, especially around the halo area of the car. I thought that was really interesting. But other than that, it's a really nice little set, and I really enjoyed putting it together. So I'll go through a few of the details with you. So as you've just seen, this is the Ferrari SF-24. As of September of 25, when I'm filming this, on the Lego website, this has 4.5 stars off 61 reviews, and it retails on the Lego website at $22.99. Now, I know for a fact that you can get that cheaper from other retailers that are having sales on and things at this point in time, and we do have to remember that this is based on the 24 season Ferrari. So the further you get away from the 24 season, I would imagine the cheaper the sets are going to get. But yeah, there's some really good build aspects to this. I especially like the halo, how the tubing's bent over. You can see one of the boys coming in there to help at the back, and the other one, the older one, shows up later, and they both want to put the wheels on. So we share putting the wheels on at the end of the build. But as a model that's both playable and displayable, I think it's got some great features. You know, looking at it from a distance, you can't tell instantly that it's Lego. You've got to really get a bit close to it, and the side profiles and things like that are excellent. As I say, not a fan of the stickers, but like I say, they do just set it off. I think if they were printed bricks, they'd be fantastic. But overall, about an hour the entire build took, so it's not a massive build, but certainly enjoyable. Jack's there, like joining in at the end. He loves putting wheels on cars and stuff like that when we're doing Lego, and so did his older brother. So they put a couple of wheels on each while we finished it off. So that's it for this video. I'm just going to leave you with a couple of pictures of the finished article. There is a link to this model in my TikTok showcase. If you fancy purchasing it, you can go through there. But yep, thanks for watching, and here are some of the finished pictures. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Will it be another F1 one?